Okay guys, this is a quick video on the noise that was coming from my rear derailleur. I initially thought it was bent doing transportation. You know, TSA, they're not too friendly with these bike bags. They'll throw them in just like they would do any other luggage. So the first thing I'm going to invest in is a rear derailleur guard. It bolts right up to the bolt here, and it protects the whole rear derailleur. That's the first thing I'm going to invest in. But after looking closely and pedaling real slow, I observed the noise. See if you can hear it. It's like a clicking noise that's going on. And you can also see in this video what may be the problem right there. Let me see if I can focus on that. As you can see, there's some debris on my pulley that may be causing the clicking noise. So before you think your rear derailleur is bent, you may just need to clean the pulleys. You may need to clean the chain. I use WD-40 to clean the chain, and then I lube the chain. A lot of people may not agree with the WD-40, but I only use it to clean the chain and the gears. It's amazing how much grease and debris will just fall off to the bike after you hose it down from using WD-40. And then of course you would need to re-lube the chain. But right here, I think is the problem. There's some type of debris, look like a piece of wood or something right there. So I'm going to clean this pulley that off, and hopefully that will remedy the noise clicking sound. As I was cleaning this pulley off and rotating it at the same time, I found a bunch of debris in it. So let's take a couple of napkins or maybe an old bike rag and clean off your pulleys. A ton of dirt and unknown debris came off of that lower pulley. So I'm going to go ahead and clean off the top pulley, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the derailleur's pulley are cleaned. Let's see if the clicking noise exists. As you can hear, there's no more clicking noise. Real quiet, real smooth. So the problem, guys, was a dirty derailleur, dirty pulleys. Before you run to a bike shop to pay for a diagnosis that you probably can do at home, just clean off the derailleurs, clean off your chain, and that may remedy the problem. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out our other cycling videos. Hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you soon.